I'm Rasmus, and today I'm going to talk with you about drying. Right now I have only added the pre-styler into my hair, and I'm going to show you how you can style it without a blow dryer, and then I'm also going to showcase what actually happens when you have the blow dryer and why it's important. It's around 15 pumps after the shower, and just let it set for 1 hour. We're going to break it up with a comb. Right now it's almost crispy feeling, so let's see how much volume we can create. Like magic. So this is what a pre-styler can do. We're always going to use some wax just to get the small details. Let's apply the wax, and here we have the gold digger wax, and about 1 gram here, enough to put it into position. And here it's really the small details that makes the look. Another time where I really like to do this type of styling is in the weekends. I can go to the shower, then I can just put the pre-styling into my hair and have a cup of coffee and some breakfast. And when my girlfriend is ready to go out or something, my hair is just ready to go as well. So I can really recommend it. But now I'll go into a blow drying process so you can really see the difference between this natural drying up process versus the professional styling. Around 10-15 pumps. I'm going to do slightly different design here. I want a small parting. Something that stands out here when you're blow drying is the hair is getting more smooth and it's looking more straight. It looks way more refined already. Here is the parting that I made. It's just a small detail that I made in the flow of the hair. Let's apply the wax. We're talking about 1 gram into the palms. The importance of the blow drying and air drying is to have the hair setting into the right position just before you're applying the wax. Something that is super important is the pre-styling spray. It's really the secret and the magic pill to being able to style your hair. When you see it as a 2-component styling system, you have pre-styler in the hair, so it's ready to connect with the wax. It's completely the same thing when you are painting a wall or a car. You always prime it for the paint to stick. So when you combine these two, you get the absolute maximum hold on the market, and it's super unique. Even if you have the perfect styling system at home, I'm sure you would not regret to try something new. Right now, I'm encouraging you guys to try out the Vilain brand. It's a 2 million people made brand, and we made it from scratch 10 years ago. It's been a huge success. We wanted to create something special that was better than the rest of the market. I really hope you guys will write in the comment section if you use the product. Go check it out.